सामान्य मनशाचे प्रश्न सोडवपाक केंद्र सरकार पुरायपणान अपेशी थारला. कामगार आनी सर्वसामान्य मनशांचेर परत परत अन्याय जायत आसात. मात तांकां प्रश्न विचारप्यांक देशद्रोही मानप जाता. ह्या अन्याया आड जागृताय करपाक अखिल भारतीय ट्रेड युनियन काँग्रेसीन आवाज काढला. त्या खातीर 25 सप्टेंबराक दिल्लीन राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन घेतले म्हण आयटकाची केंद्रीय सरचिटणीस अमरजीत कौर हिणें म्हायती दिल्या. आरडी एक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
All over India at present we have launched a campaign after our working committee meeting 2 months ago. We decided to launch a campaign from 9th August onward till 18th September as AITUC. Apart from extending our solidarity as well as participation in sectoral agitations which are going on by various trade unions in various sectors. The campaign we began on 9th August, a Quit India Day, as you know, very important in Indian freedom movement. We have been facing continuous wrath and assault by Modi government on workers, on nation, on our natural resources, on our job conditions, on the whole rights of farmers, rights of teachers, students, journalists, writers, cinema people, theatre people. We find that there are attacks on all sections of our society, including attack on Indian Constitution. So we chose 9th August, finding Modi government has failed in delivering any of its promises, and not only failing on the promises, putting Indian culture and social fabric in a threat zone and threatening our unity and harmony in the nation, and threatening the whole idea which Constitution gave us for right to dissent and right to freedom of expression. So that has been put under threat. So we thought it's necessary we choose a date where we could say, when people of India said enough is enough and Britishers must go and they must quit, then he supported that, rather brought even in this thing 100% FDI in defense, in railways, in pharmaceutical, in animal husbandry, even in security services, those agencies which provide securities and all, everywhere. All that is, rather, I don't want to mince words. When we point finger, he says you are anti-nationals. I want to say what your government is sitting there in the center and your replica government of Parikar doing here and doing all the U-turn. The steps which you people are taking are against nation.